Hello again. Joanna Durand. In this third video for this February's BAI Winter School in Prague, I wanted to review the details of the pedagogical program of seminars, workshops, and expert testimony exploring how large language models can provide the key to more effective human-machine interaction. In the introductory seminar, we will discuss the conditions in which LLM technologies can solve concrete business problems. Our focus here is on the specificity of generative AI, the mechanics of large language models, the value of building upon application frameworks, and which business practices can transform good ideas into effective processes. In our workshop on building a speaking virtual assistant, participants will develop a LLM-powered assistant that seamlessly integrates question answering and chat functionalities. Participants will gain expertise in developing a one-pass question answering solution, creating a multi-purpose chatbot, and implementing advanced data retrieval techniques to enhance information access. In our workshop on designing knowledge management systems, participants will learn how to leverage AI reasoning in building their own knowledge management applications. In creating sequences to streamline knowledge processes. Participants will develop agent-based reasoning capabilities, paving the way for more intelligent knowledge management systems. In our workshop on autonomous task management with AutoGPT and LangChain, participants will develop a cutting-edge autonomous task management system by combining the power of AutoGPT and LangChain. After analyzing the principles underpinning AutoGPT, participants will recreate this functionality in documenting a framework for their own autonomous task management system. Finally, in our discussion on keeping the human in the loop, participants will explore the critical success factors of collaborative intelligence, ensuring managerial accountability, developing human agency, and fostering innovation. In reviewing the session's deliverables, attendees will address the processes and the metrics needed to demonstrate that these business-ready applications positively impact organizational outcomes. As an algorithm, I understand the need to learn from experience in building business-ready applications that leverage large language models. The BAI Winter School on Generative AI in Business and Society from February 5th to 14th in Prague. I'm looking forward to seeing you there.